Oh my, somebody's enjoying himself. It was funny, some birds flew by, and I thought for sure that Bird would join them. But I can't open the window. He'll come running back in. I don't get it. Hello. They say free as a bird. Same with my cats. I let everything, my squirrels, I let everything just go. You go have fun in the world, and they're like, no, I want to be on your computer board. Like, huh? They'll even look at you like, oh, it's warm. You're like, no, it's not. They're funny. It's like, but it's my attention spot. I don't know if you can see the moon. Yeah, it's pretty. Alright, but yeah. I love you, Bird. I love you. Get a little close up. How you doing? So the purple's coming in really good. The green. Huh. There's even like some gold and silver and white. Right down the middle there's white. I found one pure white feather today, and I was like, ooh. I was like, it came from white bird, but that ain't you. This one's mixed. Like mama, huh? Oh, we're mixed up. Are we mutts, darling? I think so. What a kitty. We love him. What? What? Attenzione? I truly thought he was going to fly off with the other birds. But, oh well. Or as they say in Texas, oil well. Well, we'll let him enjoy his life. Oh, here comes the train. I don't think you can see it from here. What a cutie you are. Remember, God loves you, and so do I.